Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It is your girl Dami, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my onion juice treatment for my hair. You guys, I've been using the onion juice now for about 2 months and I've seen really good results for my hair. My hair has been a lot more softer and I've definitely seen growth. So if you guys would like to see how I make my onion juice, then definitely stay tuned. In this video I did go ahead, I know for others they mainly use just the onion to make their treatment, but for me I wanted to use something that would stimulate my scalp to assist with hair growth. So I know that cayenne pepper, that has been one of the best natural hair remedies that I've been using since my first big chop, as well as garlic and tea tree oil. So you guys definitely stick around and watch how I make my remedy. Okay, so first I'm gonna go ahead and just cut the garlic in half, and I just take off the extra layers. And just cut it into four. It's a bit thick. So I'm gonna go ahead and set that aside, and then on to my onion. For this mixture, I only used half of the onion. I did not use the whole thing. So if you guys would like a larger batch, you can definitely use one whole onion, but I didn't do that for this video. Now that we've finished cutting up our onions and our garlic, we're gonna go ahead and add that to our blender. And I'm just taking off the little bad pieces. I add that to the blender, and then I add just a little bit of water, not a lot, but just a little bit, and then we blend it all up. Now that we've finished blending our ingredients together, I'm gonna go ahead and apply that to the stove top and get my ingredients to come to a boil. You do not have to do this step if you don't want to. It works just the same, but I like to heat it up and bring I feel like the heat blends and melts them all together. Maybe it's just me, but that's how I feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring it to a boil, and afterwards I add my tea tree oil to the treatment. It does change colors, so right now you see it as it has some purple hints to it. It's kind of, white, but it turns green after I add my tea tree oil and everything. So now that it's come to a full boil, I'm gonna turn the stove off and leave it to cool, and then we go ahead and strain and bottle. Now that the mixture has come to a cool, I am going to go ahead and strain the juice, and I'm using the stocking foot cap to strain it. And as you can see now, it has turned into the green color I've told you about. It turns into this green color mainly because of the garlic. So once you add garlic to your onion juice mix, it will change the color into a green color. If you do not add the garlic, it will stay into the same color that you've seen it before. But I added different things to it, so you will get this green color. But trust me, you guys, it works. To apply this mixture to my hair, I put it into a spray bottle, and I use just the regular like dollar bottle, the beauty supply store bottles you can get for like $1, and this works perfectly fine. I apply it before I shampoo, and I leave it in for about 20 minutes or so. I left it in for quite a while this time because I was doing stuff and time got away from me. But you can leave it in for about 20 minutes. Definitely use this before you shampoo, because you don't want to put this in after you finish cleaning your hair and everything, because it does have a smell to it. So definitely apply this before you shampoo. So now to show you how I apply the product to my hair. This is me applying it to my hair before I shampoo and condition my hair. And you guys, this wash and go has been in my hair for about 2 weeks. You guys, please don't judge me. I just had so much to do. I just forgot about my hair for a second, and I was like, you know what? I've been neglecting you for too long. Let's just get it over with. So I sprayed my roots on my hair, and I really saturate it because I just love the way it makes my hair feel. So this is just me applying it to my hair. So now that I've applied the treatment to my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into 4 sections. So this is it for this video, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and sit just for about 20 minutes doing nothing. I'm not gonna go under the dryer or anything, and then I'll come back to you guys next week where I wash and style my hair using only dollar store products. So if you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos like this, definitely do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're notified whenever I do make an upload. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. How many of you guys still use plastic bags to treat your hair? I have not graduated out of that stage. I've bought shower caps and they just are too small. So plastic bag it is.